Hey guys, this is CC and welcome back to CC's World. This set is a little bit different as I'm house sitting for a family member at the moment, but today we are building the Pikachu model kit. Obviously, it is the Pokémon, you know what I mean, so I'm super excited to build this one. Hopefully it'll turn out alright. As you can see, I picked it up and it was Santa's pick, whatever the hell that means. You can see here the ears should move, so let's start putting this model together, shall we? Alright, that is the model finished. He's very cute and I like him a lot. And the head mechanism was a bit annoying, but I would usually say here, let's get to the B-roll. Except I left my camera at home and I've already taken the models back and I can't be bothered doing it, so no B-roll for this one. Sorry guys. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not quite exactly like the other ones, but that's okay. I got to work with what I've got while I'm away from home. I've got one more video filmed here, and then we should be back to the usual. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one. See you later.